Hello, good morning, good morning. Let's carry on with the presentation of our officers. And let's start with the spot manager from Colombia, Alejandro.
现在各位掌声献给我们的来自哥伦比亚的水疗中心经理。
Photo manager from Italy, Armando.
现在上来是我们的照片馆经理，来自意大利。
Tour manager from China, Helen.
现在我们的旅游部经理 Helen 来自中国。
Housekeeping manager from the Philippines, Gilbert.
现在我们的客房服务部经理来自菲律宾。
Hospitality service manager from Peru, Aliana.
现在我们的前台经理，我的经理来自秘鲁。
Casino manager from Romania, Marcel.
现在我们的赌场经理来自罗马尼亚。
Bar manager from Italy, Nicola.
现在我们的酒吧部门经理来自意大利。
Restaurant manager from the Philippines, Jeffrey.
现在我们的餐厅经理 Jeffrey 来自菲律宾。
Shop manager from Tunisia, Ahmed.
现在我们的免税店经理来自突尼斯。
From India, executive chef Alianava.
现在掌声献给我们的行政总厨来自印度。
Public health officer from Kenya, Victor.
现在是我们的公共卫生官员来自肯尼亚。
Financial director from Peru, Giovanna.
现在我们的财务总监来自秘鲁。
Food and beverage director from Italy, Francesco.
掌声献给我们的餐饮部总监来自意大利。
From South Korea, international hostess Bella.
现在我的同事韩国主持人来自南韩。
From Italy, hotel controller Marco.
现在我们来自意大利的酒店控管。
And from Italy, the hotel director Patrizia Sferruccia.
各位掌声最大掌声献给我们的意大利的酒店总经理来自意大利。
And for you, of course, from China, your host, Chinese host, Kenny.
谢谢各位，谢谢。
Thank you very much to our office and head of departments of Costa Serena. Thank you, Kenny. 谢谢 See you later.